Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money internationally with ABN AMRO. Start by opening the ABN AMRO app on your phone or go to ABN AMRO Internet Banking on your computer. Once you log in, you will see your account overview with your balance and recent transactions. Next, go to the Payment section. In the app, tap on Payments. In Internet Banking, click the Payments option from the main menu. Here you will see several transfer options. To send money to another country outside the SEPA area, select Transfers outside SEPA. A transfer form will open. Start by entering the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their bank account. Then enter the IBAN, which stands for International Bank Account Number. This number identifies the recipient's bank account, so type it carefully. After that, enter the BIC, also known as the SWIFT code. This code identifies the recipient's bank. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. Then select the currency that the recipient should receive. The system may show the exchange rate and any transfer fees. Take a moment to review this information. Approve the payment using your app security method or your banking identifier. Once confirmed, the transfer will be submitted for processing. Thanks for watching.